Dude, these runs are getting so much bad luck. This is my 4th attempt. Hold on, I have to be right back. Okay, that wasn't a splicing technique so I could cheat the run. It was just me having to go do something really quickly. Please! And pausing the recording. Please! Come on, I'm getting Discord pings now. Come on. What do you want? Dude, shut up. Dude, shut. I just thought about French people. I don't care. Okay. That's kind of random. They sent a message saying ill. So if the pausing is just me, cause like I pressed the Windows key to. Okay, this recording is all over the place. Oh my God, this is really the run that I want to be putting in the video. I mean, the previous one was so heartbreaking. Like, it was a good recording, I got all the keys, like, I was at the end of the level. But then I died. Because of an imp, I think. What? Why did you not die from that? Anyways, yeah, more berserk punching. And that's the wrong way again. Dude! Oh my God! Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm fine, actually. Okay, well, that's the Baron woken up now. That's annoying. Go away. Oh my God. Partial invisibility goes hard for real. Oh my God, someone opened the other door. Oh my God. Dude! Okay, this run is quicker than the last one, because last time, I didn't get, by the time I got to the partial invisibility, or not the partial invisibility, the other light amplification goggles, that's when it was running out. Okay, they all just moved to the second one. There's no one there. Oh! Oh, I got past him. Oh! Yes! Okay. Okay. That one was not very nice to me. Yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, that's entirely my fault! And I'm gonna be dying now. No! Yeah, you can't just run straight to the exit like you can in... Oh, no. Oh, maybe I should have gone... Actually, wait, no, there's a... No! I was at the end of the level, no!